We who believe in creator energy are the blessed ones. We know this because we believe in something bigger than ourselves, that something is a compelling energy, a driving force that moves us in ways we cannot conjure up on our own. It's about the heart and love and humility and genuine concern and caring that is the irrefutable God spark within us. We who believe in creator energy are the blessed ones. We know this because when our intentions are set on a goal, and the goal is righteous and pure of intent, it is as a prayer. And we know because prayers are answered. We are the blessed ones who do the work of the heart, the work that is given beyond mind and out of intense feeling and with divine grace. We are ever grateful for the knowing and for the countless blessings that are given us every moment of every day. We are blessed that we know love and its power. Let it be so, and so it is.
Amen.
Thank you,
Amen.
Lee.
Thank you. My name's Ron Vroman. I'm the old white man talking head for the Oregon Statewide Jural Assembly. This is a public service announcement. Um, Reaching out to the Boy Scouts of America of the era pre-1953, maybe 1956, right in that time frame. Those that were Boy Scouts at that time, and to all Boy Scouts really, even those that came later, and even those that stuck around when girls were in the Boy Scouts, and gay men were Boy Scout masters. And all of that shit happened to a wonderful organization. But in any case, in the de jure, the not for business Boy Scouts of America, specifically in the Portland area, I'm in Beaverton. And this came about because an older man, not as old as me, that introduced himself and he says, I was an Eagle Scout. No, he said, I am an Eagle Scout. And those that were Boy Scouts still are, I guess it's like the Marine Corps. Once you were, you were. So, in any case, the things that are inculcated into a Boy Scout, such as loyal, helpful, friendly, courteous, kind, obedient, cheerful, thrifty, brave, clean, and reverent, that's what I learned there. It's still with me. Try to live up to it. But in any case, that's who I'm reaching out to. Those are the ones that have to step forward now. Contact me because I need a bunch of Boy Scouts. They're going to be men. Candy ass. What did Arnold call them? Sissy men, betas, um, buys, and those of that ilk, please don't show up. And you can find me at www.orsja.org. Ron Vroman, 38 at gmail.com. I think William will put this up for me. And 503-641-8375. And we're going to start meeting on Tuesday. and contact me, and I'll tell you where we're going to start meeting and what we're doing. And all those guys that get this and understand it, can't make it, pass it along to somebody that can. And I yield.
They do not want to let go of this. They do not intend on losing here. And we do not intend giving it back to them.
And then the bullets started flying. Then he jumps out of the car, and he's got both his hands up. And he got out of the car, and he had his hands in the air. He's like, just shoot me then. This is what you want, just shoot me. And they did. They shot him dead. With his hands in the air, and I saw it. I swear to God. He was just walking with his hands in the air. And they shot him. And they shot him dead, and then after he was down on the ground, they shot him 3 more times.